In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default assignee in Jira, which should take about 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, but having a default assignee can greatly streamline your project management by ensuring that tasks are automatically directed to the right person. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Jira website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Jira URL or search for Jira, and it will typically be the top result. Once you're at the main page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Google to sign in using your Google account credentials. This is if you have linked your Jira access to your Google account, which is a common method for seamless and quick sign-in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can access your projects. Navigate to your specific project. When you're on your projects page, look towards the top right corner for 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots. This little icon holds a lot of power, as it contains several quick access links and settings that aren't immediately visible. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for Project Settings. Click on this and it will take you to another page containing all the settings for your project. This is the key hub where many customizations and configurations for your project take place. Within Project Settings, you'll now see a list or tabs on the screen. Among these options, find the one labeled Details. Clicking on the Details tab will present you with a variety of fields and settings relevant to the specifics of your project. On this page, you'll see an option for Project Lead. This setting determines who is responsible for overseeing the project's various aspects. Click into this field, and a drop-down list will show potential assignees. Here, you can choose from team members who are part of your project. Once you select the desired individual as the default assignee, it will ensure that any new issues created within the project will automatically be assigned to this person. This is particularly useful if your project has a single point of contact or manager who initially handles all issues or delegates tasks among team members. After you've chosen the default assignee, remember to click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are updated and recorded in the system. Without clicking Save, any selections you might have made won't be applied, which would be a waste of your time and effort. And that's it. You've now set a default assignee for your Jira project. This adjustment can save time and help keep your project running smoothly by ensuring tasks are automatically directed to the correct person. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your Jira experience a little bit easier.